Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a follow-up to the last closet cleanup that I had. I wanted to go ahead and look through all of my bags that I have and my shoes. So that's what part 2 is going to be about. And if you guys are excited for that, don't forget to subscribe before you get into the video. But without further ado, let's get into it. I say we start with the bags first. The first item that I feel like I may need to get rid of today is this UGG bag. I got this a couple years ago as a present for Christmas and I freaking love it. Like, look at how cute this like top part is. It's like one of these, you know, side bag situations, but when you see how horrifying the back is, yeah. I don't know if this is salvageable because this is actually jean dye. I wore like a pair of jeans, I guess, a bunch, and ever since then this has kind of been destroyed. So I might try and get this cleaned, but if not, this is definitely going to be a very sad get rid of situation. The next bag that I'm thinking of getting rid of is this really cute and interesting red bag. It says "That's all folks," and it's the Looney Tunes Marc Jacobs collab. I don't know, when I bought this, I thought I would get a lot of use out of it because it has this really cool kind of like Marc Jacobs imprinted handle, but I don't know, it's something about the shape and the style of this. I also don't really wear red bags that often, and I feel like if I did, I probably wouldn't reach for this one as much. I feel like I want somebody else to get love out of this, and I don't think that person is me. Okay, so this is another bag that I was obsessed with for the past like 2 years. And as you can tell, you can see what the like original color looked like, and this is kind of like the worn down version of it. I feel like I'm not gonna get rid of this though, because I feel like this could just get a good wash. I mean, it's just like this jean material, and I feel like I just need to take it to like the purse cleaner because I feel like it's still in pretty good condition. And I'm obsessed with these like little shoulder bags. Like, that is so cute. Okay, I just need to get this one cleaned. Then I have this gorgeous bag. It is a little frustrating because I got this bag from the RealReal. This is a Miu Miu, like little, also a shoulder purse situation, and the freaking clasp here just fell off at one point. So I don't know, I think I need to go to the Miu Miu store and see if they can like replace it, or see if like a purse place can make something up for it. But if not, I might have to get rid of this one. I'm just like, I'm looking through all of the purses that I'm like, I never reach for this, and then it's like all of these little details is like, why, you know what I mean? I don't know, you guys. Okay, so for context, this is actually the first designer bag that I ever purchased with like my little part-time check. And it's like, you can kind of tell like this is not really my style anymore. Like, it's definitely a statement bag. Why do I want to keep it now? But I haven't worn this in years. I hold on to it every single year because I think I'm gonna wear it, and it has that sentimental value for me, you know? And also the strap is super cool. I used to like flex on people with this because I thought it was amazing, which now I'm just like, whatever. But it has this really cool like Playboy strap to it. I don't know, I just thought I was like an eclectic like baddie, like, you know what I mean, with the different colors and stuff. And the Playboy strap, which didn't originally come with this bag, but they let me keep it when I bought it at the store. I think this might have to go into the get rid of section. Oh, I'm a little sad about it, but I can't like be hoarding stuff out of sentimental value, you know what I mean? The next bag that I have is this Coach purse. I actually also bought this on Black Friday. I don't know if I want to get rid of this, you guys. I kind of did because I have been looking for a new black purse. When I bought it, I just thought it was like kind of fulfilling the role that I needed because I literally don't own like a single black purse. But I've been on the hunt, and I have seen a bag recently, a black bag, that I feel like could be the one to replace it. And I wore it a lot last year after I first bought it. I feel like it is very much my style. It's almost looks like a Chanel dupe, you know what I mean? Where it's like that puffy material. It's got like the Coach C on it. And it's also a little bit annoying because like the inside of it, since it is that like puffy bag material, it's kind of hard to fit all the things that I want to. I think this might have to go. Onto two of my bigger bags. This one I'm definitely keeping. As you can tell, it's still in really good condition. This bag I also want to keep, but I just wanted to show it to you because it was potentially on the chopping block. But, you know, there's miscellaneous stains. But I just think that I need to get it clean. That is it from the bag point of view. This is like full right here, but that section is completely empty except for like that one massive bag. Now I think it's time to look through the shoes. I absolutely adore these Dolce & Gabbana shoes. I think they're so cool and they're very much my style. I actually got these as a gift from someone from The RealReal. And because the person that gave them to me, I don't really have a relationship with anymore, it kind of leaves me like with a sour taste in my mouth. Like when I look at them, I'm like, should I be wearing these? Like the energy is off. Even though I did pick them out and like I knew exactly what I wanted. I don't know. I feel like I attach my emotions to things sometimes. And so that's why I haven't really reached for these. The other half of it is because they're in Italian sizes. I thought the 38.5 would fit me. That's like an 8.5, I think. But when I went to try them on, they are so like my feet get squished, my toe gets squished so much on the bottom. They feel like they're size 8 and I feel like maybe they just run a little bit small. I haven't worn them since that person gave it to me like 3 years ago. So that's kind of a telltale sign that you're hoarding something. So I might go ahead and get rid of these. These are also another pair of designer shoes from Jimmy Choo. I had bought these when I was graduating from college in 2020, so I didn't end up wearing these for my graduation. And basically ever since then, I've been kind of just keeping them in my closet because, you know, I feel like it's harder like with designer shoes as somebody who doesn't, you know, own like my entire closet isn't full of designer shoes. They mean a lot to me like when I purchase them. And look at how cute, you know, it's got like the like Jimmy Choo signature on the side, this cork heel. I just thought it was so like giving summer, giving spring, but I don't really wear them that often. And I feel like it's because the heel is freaking huge. Thanks for being around, but yeah, these are a goner. Okay, on a similar vein, I have these Gucci like platform sandals that I haven't worn that I also got from The RealReal, and they were like brand new. As you can see, I haven't gotten much use out of them. Every time I try to put an outfit together with them, I do feel like I'm kind of, it's not really my style, you know what I mean? And yeah, I've just found these difficult to wear. I think I may try and see if these work, but I feel like for now, these are definitely going to be out of the closet. Also, as a side note, I don't really wear gold. I like to wear silver, as you can tell. So yeah, gold doesn't really pair with my outfits, and then it's just, it makes me not want to wear them even more, you know? I have these two strappy shoes. Okay, so these I got actually from Goodwill, which is kind of crazy, and these are like Franco Sarto, like leather, nice little kitten heels. So I think I'm gonna hold on to these. I was gonna say like maybe the beige is a little bit more like yellowy than what I would prefer, but I have gotten use out of them. These ones, however, are quite dirty on the back. So I think I need to figure out if I can get these clean, because as much as I love and I feel like the top part is very unique and girly, I feel like the back, it kind of throws everything off because they're so dirty. So I might try and get these clean, but if not, I may have to get rid of these. Okay, so that's kind of it for the heel section. Now I'm gonna go into the boots, sneakers, and everything in between. The next shoes I'm thinking of getting rid of are these Nike shoe situations. As you can tell, we've got the furry on them, and I loved that at the time when I first bought these. I did wear them quite a bit. They are Air Jordans, and they're actually for kids, which is funny, but I was able to fit in a size of these, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna need them. I just thought like, I don't know, I wanted to have more of like a street style vibe, like different outfits I could choose. And I felt like these were very much my style, but honestly, because they are kid size, like even though I fit in the shoe, they're still tight because it's like they're not meant for like wider adult feet. So they're not that comfortable, and then I just feel like I don't really wear them anymore, and I just hold on to them because Obviously the style is very unique, but I think I'm definitely gonna have to get rid of these. The next pair of shoes I'm gonna get rid of, you guys are gonna be like, well, why did you even buy these in the first place? But I do have these suede like mustard yellow Hokas, and I love Hokas. Like, don't get me wrong, they're like one of the best like comfortable workout running shoes, hiking shoes that I've ever owned, but like seriously, this color, you guys, like, no. So I'm hoping to get a new pair that is more of a neutral color that I can get more wear out of. I have these Doc Marten Mary Janes that were from the Heaven collection. Don't get me wrong, I love and adore these. The problem is I bought them in a size too big. I might try wearing like one of those like booster pad things that you can get for the back of the shoe, but if anything, I may have to get rid of them or see if I can buy like a resale version that's like a size less than this. And I don't really wear them that often because of that. I actually have another pair of Doc Marten Mary Janes that I wear a lot more. So we're gonna see if we can work it out, but these might have to go. Okay, the next pair I'm thinking of getting rid of, this is so hard, you guys, is these UGG platform slippers. I feel like this was like one of those limited release slippers that they came out with. You know how they like come out with like different designs all the time? But I literally fell so crazy hard and like injured my knee like crazy in these because, you know, like they only have this to like hold you in, and they're such a high platform. They're like 3 inches. I feel like I always trip in these and it just scares me, and I don't know. I have other slippers and stuff that I can wear. Like, I don't think these are essential. I also don't love the like graffiti look of the heart print. These might have to go. I don't wear them as often because I'm like literally scared to wear them. So now we're kind of onto that other section. The next pair of boots that I'm planning on getting rid of are these really cool, honestly, style boots, but they are so dang cheap that like basically these aren't well constructed, and I probably should have thought of that before I purchased them and just like invested in a nicer pair, but unfortunately these have kind of overstayed their welcome a little bit, and I'm hoping to find a pair that I can replace them with. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. These are gorgeous, stunning boots that I love to death. However, when I purchased these, I got them online and I didn't realize that the calf on these would be so freaking slim. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like have calf boots been getting slimmer? Because I don't know what it is about these, but it's like this part particularly up here is so hard to fit into. Like the ankle and everything is fine, but I feel like there's no stretch to them at all. Like, you know what I mean? And then I feel like I'm just like a sausage, you know what I mean? Like, it's like the worst feeling ever. I made the mistake of also wearing a jean skirt when I wore these once, and sure enough, the dye transferred onto the shoe pretty badly, so they're looking really beat up. I will say they are very comfortable in terms of like the bottom part. Like, my feet don't hurt at all when I wear these, so they will be missed. I feel like I do need to find a replacement for these as well. But I'm so sad I have to let them go. That is it for today's video, guys. I feel like we did some good solid damage with everything. Maybe not as much as, you know, the clothing video, but I feel like I got rid of a good amount. I mean, I'm looking at literally a pile of purses right now, of stuff, and also a pile of shoes. So I'm very happy with that. I'm just ready to start fresh, invest in things that last, invest in things that I know that I want to wear and not just impulse buys, you know what I mean? So let me know if you guys would ever want to see like a collection video, because I do own a lot of shoes and a lot of purses, and I feel like that would be fun to film, just to like, you know, share different styles and where I bought stuff from. Let me know down below what you thought of my choices. I hope that you guys agreed with everything. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!